Let's play some of the more options in AutoMesh panel. Before that, let me delete all the elements. So I will go for delete. Here I will change the selection filter to elements. I will say displayed element and then I will say delete the entity. Now I will try to divide the surface into two portions. For that purpose, let me first create a node by pressing shortcut F8. On line, I will create 3 number of nodes. Select the line, press middle button. Same, select the line, press middle button. Now, in order to trim the surface, I can go for geometry, quick edit or shortcut F11. Then here I have split surface node and here I will choose node to node. Select this one and select this one. Now the entire surface has been divided into two portions. Now we will go for AutoMesh. So I will go for 2D, AutoMesh and then select this mesh. Now instead of mix type, I will set my type to chord only and I will say mesh and I will say return. Now you can see all the elements generated are chord. Here I will select it and instead of chord, I will set my element type to triangular one and let's say mesh and let's say return. You can see here I have the chord element and on the right side I have the triangular element. But later on I realized okay, I didn't wanted triangular element over here and by mistake this thing has happened. So you can change this mesh, but now I want to select the elements over here. So I can go for elements and then press shift, hold it and draw a rectangle using the left mouse button and those elements will get selected. Again, instead of mix, I can set exclusively to the chord or you can set it to mix also. And let me say mesh. Now you can see a type has been changed. In the similar way, let me remove the mesh over here or you can go for surface, select the surface, set type to the tria and then say mesh. Now here once the AutoMesh panel is activated, then and then only also you can change the element type. You can go for mesh style. Under the mesh style here we have element types. So element type I will set it to the chord or here also you can change to different type of elements and here I will say set all. You can see a symbol has changed over here. If I set it to tria, set all, then you can see symbol has changed, or if I say R tria, then you have to say set all, then and then only it will change, and then I can say mesh. You can see a element type has changed. So, but since I wanted chord element, I will set it to chord, I will say set all and then I can say mesh. Now see the mesh has changed. Now next thing that I wanted to show you is the difference between element to surface component and element to current component. So for that purpose I will create one component. Let's say create. I will give this name as an trial and here I will say create and edit. You can see a current component has been created with the name of trial. Now if I try again and mesh this component, but instead of element to surface component, if I set it to current component and let's say I want mix element and let's say mesh and let's say return, you can see the color of this component is red because we have placed the elements in current component, as contrary to this where we have placed the element in the middle surface or when the current component is set to the middle surface.